Hello everyone, so how to adjust the video quality on Disney Plus. So basically Disney Plus automatically detects supported video formats and plays the highest quality video possible. You can find video formats like, for example, 4K in details section under each title. And then to enjoy the highest possible quality on Disney Plus, first you just need to have fast internet. They recommend at least 20-25 megabits per second for 4K Ultra HD video. You also need all the other components like HDMI cables which support high bandwidths, and then like all the external displays, as I say here, should support HDCP 2.2 for 4K video. And then all the audio and video components can have an impact on quality or possibly prevent playback entirely. So there you have it. In case you have some issues with video quality on Disney Plus, you can always reach out to their support, live chat, call them, or social. On social, they're at Disney Plus Help on Twitter. Thanks for watching.